Guys, before you go on to this clip, please don't forget to press the subscribe button for more content like this. We post all our clips on this channel from the podcast. I know you're going to enjoy this quite a lot.
So, what does Mad Mullah Munir do? Contrary to all common sense, next day he attacks 15 Indian locations, cities where there are airfields or army headquarters like Corps headquarters Bhatinda, for example. You know, he hits them all from north to south, from Kashmir to Bhuj. 2000 kilometer frontage, he launches 15 attacks with his missiles, with his drones. Right? With his rockets, drones, missiles, he launches 15 attacks on these targets in our depth area. Right? On our military targets, we choose hit only the terror camps. Now, there are no terror camps in India that he can hit. So, this man hits our military targets. But the good news is, fortunately, we have one of the best air defense systems in the world currently. Right? I would say it is next only to the United States, Russia, and Israel. Period. Right? And do you know the good news? Our air defense system performed better than all of them. Each and every one of the incoming Pakistani rockets, missiles, drones was shot down. How? Why, you'll ask? Because India has an air defense shield which comprises of Russian S-400 Triumph missiles, surface to air missiles, right? These missiles can look up, their radars can look up to 600 kilometers beyond Pakistan into Afghanistan. They can look, right? And they can shoot up to 400 kilometers. That means all the aircraft rising from any Pakistani airfield, more or less, can be shot down from India. And that is what has happened. We shot down their aircraft over Pakistani territory. They were rising from Sargodha, they got plinked. They were rising from other places, they got plinked. The debris has all fallen in Pakistan. But thanks to their social media and even their other media, they all ran. Ore, yahan gira. And they found कि कोई Indian नहीं गिरा, ये आपके जहाज गिरे.
अच्छा.
We have, as per the unconfirmed reports circulating in the media so far, we are waiting for the Ministry of Defence briefing today, but we have shot down possibly one AWAC, Swedish, IRI, AWAC, Airborne Warning and Control Aircraft, which can see deep into India. We've shot down one F-16 and two JF-17 fighters. This is a shake-up call, man. This is a shake-up call, right? And then we hit back that afternoon. During daylight hours, we hit back with our Horop Israeli kamikaze drones, right? Now, when this drone started flying, they thought it is a reconnaissance drone. So they opened up their radars to shoot it down. This missile homes in onto radar. Oh. Boom.
अच्छा.
Lahore ka radar.
हाँ, that I heard.
Dhurm. Gaya. They hit Rawalpindi. They hit Sialkot. These are the heart centers of Pakistan. And we told them a message. You want to mess with us? You want to mess with us? We'll give it to you. We'll take you to the escalation ladder steps that you want to climb. Your choice, baby. Your choice, right? And then at night, Pakistan tried to retaliate on the line of control by opening artillery fire. We are much better placed in artillery on the line of control than he is. They claim to have hit one of our brigade headquarters, one post. In actual fact, पर खच्चे उड़ा दिए इनके. ठीक है? Then they started hitting. और कुछ नहीं मिला तो गुरुद्वारा हिट किया. Civilians मारे 10 से 16 civilians की खबर आ रही. इनके साइड में जो हुआ है, I would rather not talk about it. ठीक है? They've been hit and hit hard. You see, the beauty is, a Pakistani YouTuber was saying, उन्होंने 24 मिसाइल फायर किए, ब्रह्मोस और स्पाइस और हैमर. All of them got through and hit our targets, and we are seeing the result. सबके सामने कौए, कुत्ते, बिल्ली, अब गिन लो. When we hit, not one missile gets through. You see, let me put it in international perspective. Air defense is becoming lethal today. We've seen it in the Russia-Ukraine war. We've seen it in the Israel conflict, right? Now, the Ukrainians, with all the American, THAADs and Patriots, etc., they are achieving 70% interception rates, kill rates. The Russians are achieving rates of 80-85%. The Israelis, when the Iranians attacked them with missiles, reached attrition rates or kill rates of 97 to 99%.
Right.
India yesterday achieved a full-on 100%. Every single rocket, missile, drone fired got shot down. And in addition, when our S-400 radars, opened up and looked deep inside Pakistan, then our Akashes have done beautifully. Our MR-SAMs have performed wonders. We started plinking them over the skies in Pakistan. One Afghan, they had very grandiosely, the Pakistani Air Force Fizaya. Fizaya. Their F-16s had gone and hit 2 villages in Afghanistan as punishment, and killed 52 women and children. The Afghans' blood is boiling. And you know what the Afghans said? हमारे पास एयर फोर्स नहीं थी तो तुम घोड़े पे चढ़ के हमारे गांव के अटैक कर रहे थे, हमारी औरतें बच्चे मारे हैं तुमने, हराम जादो. अब कहाँ गया तुम्हारा शौर्य, तुम्हारा सूरमापन? अब हिंदुस्तान की एयरफोर्स को करके दिखाओ ना. दिखाओ हिंदुस्तान की एयरफोर्स के लड़के. चुप, कायर, cowards. The Pakistani Air Force is trying to preserve itself. Survive this damn war. Right? Because they were just not ready.
Guys, if you're enjoying the clips that we are putting out on this channel, you can consume all our podcasts in small clips right here. We chunk them together and release them just for your convenience. Do not forget to press the subscribe button.